guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily. I am a trained beauty therapist and I can help you curate a skincare routine that works just for you. Today's video is a little fun one. It's all about the products that I love, and if I could only bring 3 products with me, these are the products that I'll take with me. No overthinking, no extras, just the products that my skin love and that keep my skin looking glowing no matter what. Yes, I know I love a full routine, and yes, my skin deserves a lot of attention, but sometimes life is so chaotic. You're traveling, your skin is overwhelmed, or maybe just want to keep things minimal without compromising results. So in this video, I thought I'd do something really fun and share the 3 products that I would bring if I could only bring 3 products, and how they work together to keep my skin looking clean, treated, and protected. The number 1 product that I will bring, can you guess, guys? It's the CeraVe Oil Control Cleanser. This one is so special to me because I've used it for so many years. It just does the job when it needs to do the job. I reach for this when I need a cleanser that does more than just cleanse. It has salicylic acid in it, which helps to give me a bit of a light exfoliation, take away the cloggedness, because I have got combination skin type, which is a little bit more on the oilier side. This cleanser will do the job of cleaning my pores, and every time I wash my face, it clears the clogged pores. It leaves my skin looking smooth and leaves my skin feeling fresh. It leaves my skin feeling not stripped of all the oils. What makes it a must pack is how it sets up the rest of my routine. The gentle exfoliation helps prep my skin so everything I apply after can actually get absorbed better. It works hard for me, guys. This cleanser, I love it, just the job. Think of it like clearing the stage for before the main act. What I forgot to mention is that it also has ceramides in it. 3 essential ceramides, meaning it will protect my skin barrier. It also has niacinamide, again to address the large pores that I have. So I really love this cleanser. And the third thing, it's affordable. It's available at a lot of places. And the second product that I would take with me wherever I'm going, if I was supposed to carry only 3 products, I would not go anywhere without my Crystal Retinol from Medic 8. At the moment, I am using Retinol number 10, Crystal Retinol number 10. So I've gone up 3 levels. Yay me. This was a non-negotiable product in my routine. It's like a one-step preset button for my skin. It uses retinaldehyde, which is a more advanced form of vitamin A than regular retinol. Basically, it just gives me faster results with less irritation. It boosts up that cell turnover while smoothing the fine lines. It fades the dark marks and even helps with texture. All the things I would normally need from 2 or 3 products, this one will give me the results on its own. It is balanced with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and vitamin E. So while it is strengthening my skin, it is also hydrating and soothing it. So that combo makes it perfect to follow up after exfoliating cleanser, especially since retinol can sometimes be irritating on its own. These 2 steps work like a tag team. Cleanse and gently exfoliate, then treat and restore. I really love this product. If you follow me on Instagram or anywhere, you probably have seen me talk about this so much because it just has given me so many results. And the third product that I would take with me, we cannot forget to protect the goodness that's happening from Crystal Retinol. We have to protect the skin from the sun. I love the beauty of Josan SPF 50 plus. Guys, this one is non-negotiable. Again, if you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you probably have seen me talk about this so much. And if I could pick anything, this is coming with me, period. It's a lightweight sunscreen. It's hydrating. It leaves me glowy but never greasy. It's got rice extract and probiotics in it, so it's calming. It calms the skin and helps strengthen the barrier. Actually, because I'll be using a really strong active ingredient like the Crystal Retinol, this one will help to calm the skin down and protect my barrier. It has zero white cast, no peeling, it sits beautifully under makeup, and most importantly, it protects my skin from the sun damage, because without sunscreen, all the fancy ingredients in steps 1 and 2 are basically wasted. The sun exposure can undo all that progress, and we are not doing that on my watch. So why these products work so well together, it's because they cover the 3 basics, but they make it powerful. A cleanser that exfoliates and clears the way, a treatment that smooths and brightens and hydrates, and a sunscreen that protects and soothes while playing nice with the actives. And why I like this sunscreen is because it can also work as a moisturizer. That's why you see I didn't take any moisturizer. I only chose cleanser right now and this SPF because it can double up as a moisturizer. I hope you enjoyed this little fun video, or maybe if you want to try some of these products, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed everything I talk about on my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share, and look after your skin because you really deserve it.